Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We got Carla and we got E. Big Herbalife, right?
Hello,
So, yes. They're super excited about being here. They never been treated before. Carla has low back pain, but we found some upper areas that were tight, so we're just going to adjust everything on both. And then go from there. Fair enough?
Yes.
All right. So let's go face down for me. I just did an exam. One thing we found, it was her hips were offline just a little bit. She is off just a tiny bit. And then one side was more than the other side. So here, let's see here. All right, Missy. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Perfect. Ooh, tight, girl. That moved good, though. This side up for me, Carla.
Up.
Facing this way. So you're going to be on your side facing this way.
Oh, got it.
So how long you guys been doing Herbalife for?
4 years.
4 years. Wow. And you said you have camps, 100 people?
Yes.
Wow. Give me that right here. This. Perfect. And we're going to bring you forward like this. Good. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Oh, my goodness. Wow. The other side. Facing this way. That was tight. You heard that?
Yeah.
That was good. I knew it was just going to, because you guys are in great shape, so it just hasn't moved in a while. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. All right, girlfriend, let's see. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Ooh. Take a big smile.
I love it.
Deep breath for me again. And relax. Good. Perfect. That was awesome. All right, girl. Let's go face down. Let me check that.
Face down?
Yeah. I want to check that hip alignment again. Make sure.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. That blood just rushed up there. Look at that. Nice. Remember in the beginning?
Yeah.
Raise this leg for me.
That's
Sweet. How about this one? Awesome. You're done.
Yeah.
Man, that moved. That dramatically
Oh,
changed. So he's gonna go right into yours then.
Yes.
I think he's going to be a cracker.
What do you mean? You weren't? You did the last.
Awesome.
Let's go
my
first.
goodness.
Yes.
Awesome.
All right, here we go, bud. Same thing with him. His hip was rotated. They're like twins. All right, move that a little bit for me, E. Towards your feet. There you go. Take a deep breath. All the way out, buddy. Beautiful. Good. One more. Whew. Yeah, you were a cracker. You're right. This side up for me. E. Facing this way. Sorry, this way.
Oh.
Bend the top leg for me. Beautiful. Just back. Good. And give me these. Like this. Deep breath, good. All the way out. There it is. Whew. Man, the other side.
Ringing like a towel. That's what
It's supposed to feel good. Bring this forward. Perfect. Good. And this. Deep breath, buddy. All the way out. Relax from your face. Nice. Woo. Go face up. Let me do the neck.
Oh, my neck. Yes, yes, yes.
You get headaches at all, you or no?
No.
Good, good. Just making sure there's a little tightness up there, that's all. Relax, move it. Oh. One more. Ooh. Beautiful. Let's go face down. Let me just check everything.
Now, you tell people not to try this at home, right?
Yeah, do not try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
Come see Dr. Mo. Beautiful. Go ahead and raise this leg for me. He was already good on these, though. Go ahead and do this one. Yeah, these look good already. Nice release, though. There it is. All right, if you're out there, you're still watching these videos for months, stop watching, just come on in.
Trust me, it'll be
Take
worth
care.
it.
Dr. Mo's amazing.